Hello and welcome back to Quick Tips. This week I want to talk about a common question that I get, and that's how to combine images or PDFs together into one file. It's incredibly easy, and all we need to do is go up here to Create. We're going to select Multiple Files and choose Combine Files. Then we'll select Next. We can use open files or add files from a folder. I'm going to use several images. Here we can see my images. I'm going to select them all and choose Open. When I do this, I can reorganize my files, zoom in on them, or even delete them. When I'm happy with the order, I'll select Combine. Now the images are combined into a single PDF, and I can go to Menu and select Save to save my files. That's it for this week. Can't wait to see you again next week for another quick tip.